The next tip is the block test. This is unique to Yoga for Cancer. And we do it to transition easily into all of our standing poses. Jerry Ann is standing here nice and tall, and stand tall. Her shoulder broad and her hips stacked right on top of her thighs. And what I'm going to also point out is that her heart is in front of her nose, which means that her head is slightly leaning back, stacked again on top of her spine. This is stand tall. And from this position, keeping this alignment, she's going to begin to bend her knees, reaching for the blocks. And her fingers don't quite make it, so I'm going to ask Jerry Ann to come back up again. She might have been able to reach the blocks if she let her nose fall in front of her heart, but we don't want that to happen. So I am going to take 2 blocks and stack them, making a tower of blocks, putting a nice solid base, like a pyramid. And then again, I'm going to ask Jerry Ann to take a nice, clear, deep breath in. And as she exhales, she's going to again bend her knees deeply at the hips and bring her hands to the blocks. Voila, there she is. Her heart is still in front of her nose, and she is perfectly placed to begin standing poses. I'm going to ask Jerry Ann to come back up again and suggest that maybe some people might have trouble getting even to 2 stacked blocks, or have irritation, pain in the hips or in the knees. And what we will do then is stack another layer of blocks. Never being shy, just being careful to make sure that your block tower is nice and solid. And again, Jerry Ann's going to take a breath in, and as she exhales, she bends her knees and places her hands on the blocks. And she is ready and prepared to do her step backs for standing poses. And please note where her heart is and where her nose is.